thought this class would be easy. How am I supposed to know why I should explore trades? Do you know anything about skills?
No, I don't.
Skills? No.
No, I don't.
Nope.
No, not a clue.
Man, no one can tell me about skills.
Where are we supposed to go? To the competitor room down the hall.
Did you hear that? Let's go. Hi, I was just wondering why you think skills is important.
I think it's important to try lots of different things because sometimes you don't necessarily know what you're good at and you don't necessarily know what you like until you've tried it. So you have to try carpentry, you have to try welding, you have to try baking just to see if that's where your passion lies.
I think our society, we've got so many people that are, they'll sit for hours on their computers, but they don't know how to design software. So they need people doing that. We need people to do our cooking and our building, and trades are really, really important.
I learned a lot about why trades are important today. And it's really cool to see young people be rewarded for having these skills.